Hi guys, welcome back. Now in the last video that I posted I explained that I've been buying lots of quality second-hand files on eBay, and the vast majority of them don't come with handles. This is one of them. One of the files that I did buy did come with an handle. This is the one. And on the previous video I showed how I turned down these old cricket wickets that I'd picked up on this mini lathe. As I say, that's the one that I based it on. It's not an identical piece, but it's good enough for what I need. Now at the moment I'm just machining some ferrules for the end. Just a bit of scrap that I've found lying around. That's the diameter that I'm working to, an inside diameter on this piece. So I've just drilled the majority of it out. I'm just going to fit a boring bar on now, bring it to the right dimension, and just face off the outside. So after that, after the success I had yesterday, I'm going to then move on to making a handle for the turning chisels. My intention is, I've got a lot of these files and some of them are getting towards the end of their life, so I think they'd be an ideal material, high carbon content in these. I think they'd be an ideal material to try and make some different style chisels for turning. So I've started to rough one out, and I've turned this end down. I've turned this end down to suit an ER40 collet that I was going to mount in this in the headstock, but I've been having second thoughts. I've got one of the original collets that came with the lathe, and I've machined this part down. Right size for that collet, and I thought that then, I hope there's enough grip on that. I thought I could mount that then into the headstock, into the new workpiece, and basically turn in between centres. It'll then give me a bit more room to play with for finishing the handle off at this side, rather than have it in the 3-jaw chuck. Anyway, bear with me. The next job I'm going to turn this, I'm going to bore this out to the right size and take it down, and then I'm going to fit this and see how we're going with the longer handle. want this to be a nice tight fit, guys, a push fit. Yeah, I think we're almost there. Yeah, I'm going to call that good. That'll definitely push into there. Right, let's face the outside down. Yeah, that's a nice fit on there. Right, that's sorted. I'm now going to move on to swapping this chuck over, putting the centre in and trying to turn this down between centres. I've taken the 3-jaw off, put the collet in, and this is the homemade centre that I've made for wood turning. That goes into the collet, and it's just a matter of pressing the bar to close it. Got a live centre on the opposite end. And this is a part of the timber that was originally in the 3-jaws. We tighten that up, I'm hoping it'll start to grip on the teeth. I think that's got a grip. Well, there you go, guys. I think that was a success. Very pleased with that. Almost looks like the bells off the original wickets. But yeah. Yes, I'm pleased with that. Next video, guys, I'm going to put some of these old files in the heat treating oven to anneal them, and then I'm going to machine them down into some different styles of turning chisels. Stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks for watching.